In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an icon in Figma. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along and get consistent, professional results every time. First, open the Figma website in your browser and sign in. Once you're in, open the page or file where you're working. Make sure your icon is already on a frame. A frame is your working area. Think of it like an artboard. If your icon is inside a frame, it's easier to manage layout and alignment later on. Click your icon to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box with handles around it. Now, to resize it quickly, use those drag handles. Click and drag any handle to make the icon bigger or smaller. If you're just exploring different scales, this is the fastest way to go. As you drag, keep an eye on how the icon looks so you don't accidentally stretch it in a way that feels off. To keep the icon's proportions clean and consistent, press and hold the Shift key while you drag. Holding Shift tells Figma to scale the icon proportionally so the width and height change together and the design doesn't get distorted. This is especially important with icons, where even small distortions are noticeable. If you need the icon to match a specific size, for example a standard 24 by 24 or 32 by 32, use the precise fields on the right-hand side of the interface. With the icon still selected, look in the design panel for width and height. Click into width and type the exact value you want, then do the same for height. Press Enter to apply. This is the most reliable way to fit your icon to exact dimensions when your design system calls for consistency. A few tips as you work. Zoom in when dragging to get better control over your adjustments. If something doesn't look right, use Undo to step back and try again. Stick to whole pixel values in the width and height fields to keep edges sharp. And if you ever find that you're selecting the frame instead of the icon, look at the Layers panel to make sure you've clicked the icon layer, not the frame behind it. That's it. Open Figma, open your page, place your icon on a frame, resize with drag handles, hold Shift to keep proportions, and use width and height on the right for exact dimensions. With these basics, you'll resize icons confidently and consistently across your projects.